Dear student, in this experiment we will see the drawing of ellipse by using concentric circle method. For drawing an ellipse, we need the major axis and minor axis. It is given major axis is 110 mm and minor axis is 70 mm. Now first draw and major axis of 110 mm. तो पहिल्यांदा 110 mm ची मेजर ॲक्सिस ड्रॉ करून घ्यायचे. सेंटर पॉइंट इज 55 and name the points A, this is B, and center point is O. So bisecting the minor axis having length of 70 mm, the 35, this is the center. This point is C, this point is D. Now draw the major axis and minor axis circles. Major axis circle, minor axis circle. Now divide this circle in equal 12 parts. Now I extended this minor axis circle line up to major axis circle. For division of equal parts, we want to divide this circle in equal 12 parts. This is the procedure of dividing the circle in equal parts. सेंटर ओ ला सुद्धा कन्सिडर करायचं आहे. ती लाईन बरोबर सेंटर ओ मधून पास झाली पाहिजे. आता ह्या इक्वल 12 पार्ट्समध्ये डिवाइड झालेल्या लाईन्स आहेत. ज्यावेळेस इक्वल पार्ट्समध्ये डिवाइड होतात त्यावेळेस त्यांना नंबर द्यायचा आहे. वी स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट 1, minor axis is same number but dash. This is 2, this is 2 dash. This already D. This is 3, 3 dash. This is 4, 4 dash. This one is the 5, 5 dash. This is 6, this is 6 dash. 7, 7 dash. 8, this is 8 dash. Now from major axis circle draw the vertical lines like this. This is 8, this is 1, 7, 6, 3, 5, 4. From minor axis हा 1 डॅश आहे. हॉरिझॉन्टल लाईन ड्रॉ करायचं आहे विच इज कट दिस लाईन फॉर मेजर ॲक्सिस सर्कल. 1 dash. This is creation of point P1. This is from 2 dash. This is P2. 3, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, P8. Now, this all P points along with A, B, C, D join with the help of the French curve. This is drawing of ellipse by using concentric circle method.